Good morning. So I wanted to share my pivotal cleanse moment. I was in California at Hartwood Institute in Northern California taking a hot tub after a 10-day juice cleanse. And we were all just kind of chilling out. And we were instructed, of course, to very gradually eat real food. And someone happened to bring a bag of plums, organic plums, to the hot tub. And I was like, yeah, well, you know, if I just chew it really well, it'll be fine. So I didn't have just one plum. I ended up having like 5 plums sitting in that hot tub. And what happened was that over the next few days, my digestive system just shut off. So I felt like those plums were sitting in my gut for about 5 days. It was a really bad sensation. And I realized during that time, not just how important cleansing is and detoxification, and come on, let's go, Juno. Let's go. Come on. Not just how cleansing is so powerful, so important, but how someone comes off of a cleanse. And I remember thinking at that time, you know, one of these days I'm going to teach cleanses, and I'm going to not only teach people how to do a cleanse and go through a cleanse, but also how to come off of a cleanse, because it's so important. That transition is so essential and so important. Learned a lot.